use of am, is, are. First we see where we use am. Use am for I. I am. Let's see some example. I am a boy. I am happy. I am a doctor. So friends, am is for the first person singular. Here I is the first person singular. So here we use am with I. I am. Now see where we use is. Is used for he, she, it, this, that. Now we see some example. She is beautiful. He is a brave boy. It is cold. This is a sunflower. That is a sun. Is for the first person singular. Here he, she, it, this, that is the third person singular. So here we use is. He is, she is, it is. Now we see where we use are. Are is used for you, we, they, these, those. Now we see some example. You are sad. We are happy. They are cooking. These are pens. Those are flowers. Are is for the first person plural, like we. We is the first person plural. So we use we are. Second person singular and plural. We use are. Like you. You is the second person singular and plural. You are. Are is for third person plural, like they, these, those. These are third person plural. So we use are. Thank you.